The issue, as I see it, is regarding the backpacks and back pain. It seems to be more of an issue over the last maybe 10, 15 years, and part of the reason is the lockers have come out of schools. So there's a lot of schools who don't have lockers availability, and kids are carrying these textbooks from school into classes, between classes. Additionally, the textbooks have gotten larger. The classes have gotten larger, so even if they do have lockers, they can't get to the locker in between classes. So what this all means is they're carrying these large backpacks full of many textbooks throughout the day. There's no simple solution. There's no easy answer to it. There's no perfect backpack to take your back pain away. We need to lighten up the load, and how we lighten up the load is a solution for the educational system to some degree, and to the families to another degree. For the families, we need to take this stuff that's not educational out of that backpack. We need to organize the backpack or help the children develop organizational skills so they're only taking to the school what classes they need for that day. Those are two very big issues that can lighten up the backpack significantly. We can carpool, because a lot of the kids who've been carrying their backpacks to and from school have much more pain than if they didn't carry them to school, so meaning that they were driven there carpooling. So that's very good solutions for the family just to intervene. Other factors that the actual educational system can do is they can look at other educational means other than using textbooks. Using more computerized equipment obviously will lighten up the load. The other concept is devising their school schedule around where their locker is, because some of these schools have lockers. Unfortunately, the child can't get to the locker between classes because the school's too big and they just can't make it back to the locker very frequently. One other solution is that to get the weight off the shoulders. And one concept is the rolling backpack. And that was one of the biggest concepts of the rolling backpack is, well, if we're not putting pressure on the shoulders, we can lighten the load and there's less non-specific back pain, and I believe that to be true, because the back pain is clearly associated with how much weight you have in the backpack per the weight of the child. If your child is having back pain, it may not just be the regular non-specific back pain, there may be some specific etiology, and if it's ongoing, I encourage you to see your doctor, your pediatrician, your pediatric orthopedist to be better evaluated, and indeed, if there's a medical issue or medical reason for your back pain, you may benefit from 2 sets of books. And if it's enforced, that may actually work well. And a prescription written for 2 sets of books for medical issues may be valid in many schools.